Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens curbside video for the week of December the 8th to the 14th. What a curbside pickup is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, driving to the store and picking up your order. You pay for it, go and pick it up, and it's as easy as pie. Now, we can use little coupon codes to go with this, so sometimes people like to shop this way a little bit better. Alternatively, you are the shopper that likes to be in store dealing with register rewards. You want to see what you're buying. Obviously, you want to go shopping in store. Yesterday, I made a video in store, getting the haul that I did, and it wasn't a bad little haul. I will link the video at the very end if you wish to see the deals done in store specifically. And register rewards in store only. If I could ask a huge favor, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Just a quick little photo yesterday while I was putting away my detergent that I got for $1.48. I had a little helper there watching. It's our little Russian blue named Gizmo. And he is the spirit of Christmas, and he was just trying to help out. He was doing a really good job. So thumbs up for Gizmo. This first item, if you can track it down, it's a Clean and Clear Essential Oil Free Foaming Cleanser. 8 ounces for $1.79 on clearance. Now, I could not track this product down. I think they had it in stock maybe last summer, but it's since been gone. And we have a $2.50 digital that's attaching, and it's just going to zero this out as a curbside pickup to free. In store, if you find this, obviously your coupon has to be $2.50 or more, so you'd have to grab 2 of them to get it to work. But for curbside, it'll just make this $1.79 the coupon. So maybe worth checking. This would be a very easy freebie for you if you can just line it up. Unfortunately, my region could not find it. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at involves this guy, which is the La Colombe Mocha Draft Latte Mocha. They should add a couple extra words. It's basically an iced coffee for $2.99. We got this gift, which is a free coupon. Now, a lot of people are like, hey, can I put that into my $25 basket with a booster? It is a dairy product, so I'm going to say no, even though it's a manufacturer coupon. And a lot of people were having trouble in store using this, so do it as a curbside. And and if you can't find it, look for it under food in the subcategory of the coupon folder. Okay, so we are going to be grabbing 6 bags of the Lay's chips. I had to mix and match because my store had just a weird amount of chips. I guess people have been hitting those chips really hard, and I do not blame them because they are one of my favorite snacks before I went low carb. So 6 bags of the Lay's chips. We're going to load this gem, which is a 4 off of 5. Now, just to show you guys, there is a special code that you can use, SNACK2, for an extra $2 off. That's $6 off those chips, like hi. So $2.99 off for the La Colombe. So the overall basket for this magic is $20.99. 2 off with that little code, $6.99 off with the rest. So $12. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2, and you have all of your chips for your holiday season. It's a very good stock-up price. The next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2. This one, kind of a different sort of one. We're going to be grabbing 3 of these Hallmark gift bags. This one's called Pom Pom Garland. Medium-sized bag. I think they're absolutely adorable. 3 for $5.98. We got this gem, which is a $3 off of 3. So that works perfectly, and it is attaching to that product, so why not? One of these Carefrees for $5.49. Now, I never noticed this digital coupon, and then I'm like, wait, what is this? There it is. It's a $4 off of one of these pads, and yes, it's attaching. So if you have this, why not? And then also one of these Purex detergents for $9.99. We have a $2 IBOTTA to go with that, plus a $2 digital coupon. So this is your digital coupon, and then check your IBOTTA if you might have it. So with this, you're going to have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register, so you get a receipt for your IBOTTA rebate. So just remember that. So here's the course line of all the coupons, plus WAG 10 taking another $1.25 off. Now, just to show you again the overall basket, we are working at a subtotal of $21.46. $1.25 off with the coupon code WAG10. $9 of manufacturers coming off. So if you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $2.10. Get your receipt. You're going to have to say, hey, could you run this through a regular register so you can photograph it for IBOTTA for $2 back. It's not a bad basket. Okay, now we're looking at deal number 3. For this one, we are going to be grabbing these Band-Aids for $3.99. Any sort of Band-Aid product that you can find for $3 or less, that's what we're looking for. So this is the cheapest one I could find. And these little, pimple ones, I think that's a really good one, or smaller ones. We have this $3 off that appeared on Sunday, so it is off a Band-Aid. See how it says comma, Neosporin, or Benadryl? So it's one of those products. And then we're also going to grab a clearance Rimmel eyeshadow palette for $5.99, so that's 50% off. I have this $2 digital, plus IBOTTA has $2 back for this guy, so it makes this guy $1.99 after everything's said and done. I just looked up clearance candy to get the basket to round out or whatever, so I got 2 of these Kinders for $5.58, and chocolate is so expensive this year that for Christmas, for those stockings, just an idea. Okay, so now we're looking at the chorus line coming off. We have $3 for the Band-Aids, $2 for Rimmel, and then WAG10 taking a very generous 10 cents off. Okay, so the overall total here is $15.56, 10 cents coming off, $5 in manufacturers, $11.05. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. You need a receipt for IBOTTA for that $2 back from Rimmel. So please ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you can get your receipt. If they do it with the handheld, you will not get a receipt. So you must be very adamant about that. Okay, let's look at the next deal, which is deal number 4. For this one, we're going to be grabbing 2 of the Scott toilet paper, or if you want to mix and match paper towel and toilet paper, or just 2 toilet papers. It is $7.50, no coupon needed. It's BOGO 50% off. And then we have this $2 manufacturer, which is really fantastic, especially with Christmas like a couple weeks away. We all need extra toilet paper for company. Another superb stocking stuffer is this $8.99 Garnier triple pack of these micellar waters. I just think it's a really sweet little gift, especially, if you love makeup or have somebody that you know that loves makeup. We have a $4 off coupon. It makes that guy $4.99. Like, hi, some great value right there. Scott and Garnier Active melting off. Just to show you guys, $16.49, $6 melting off for $11.48. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you have it and pay $1.48 and call this a very smart deal. That is it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. And if you want to look at some in-store deals with register rewards and all that magic, I'll link the video right here, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.